Hi everyone, welcome back to BIMKLUE REVIT tutorial. So before we proceed with the MEP modelings, we still need to model one missing sliding door over here, if you still remember, okay? If you go to the layout plan, you can see there's shaded and some sketch here showing the sliding door, okay? How do we going to do that, okay? By clicking this door, here we don't have any sliding door over here, and you can't find in your Revit library either, okay? So there's no choice, then you need to create our own sliding door family, okay? Let's go to File, New, Family. Then we go to English, we start with metric door, click on Open. Then from here you can see there's a default template of door modeling. If you go to the 3D view, go to this 3D view, you can see there's a door frame, door jamb, without anything, just an opening, okay? But you already have some parameters like height, width. Then if you go to the interior or exterior view, you can see the height. And then from the plan view, you can see the width parameters is assigned accordingly, okay? Then of course, the thickness of the wall will be changed according to your wall in your project environment, okay? So the rest we need to do is, I'm going to model a sliding panel, which is half sliding out from the wall and then half concealed inside the wall, okay? And if by right, if you need to model in detail, you always need to wrap your door jamb over here. That's complicated, okay? I'm not going to do so in here. So let's start with extrusion. Then we just draw a simple rectangle over here. So make sure this side is snapped to the center of the door. Just lock it. There's a small padlock for you to lock it. And then for this one, just move it down and then move it up, then lock it to the reference plane, okay? Then the thickness of the door, you will set it to be 20 mm. Then you need to give a dimension over here to here. Then you lock it. Then from this side to here, then you need to click on this dimension. Then you, from the label here, you assign it to width, okay? So since the width now is 1000, this will automatically change to 1000, okay? After the few steps here, so you click finish, and then from the interior view, this is your side sliding panel. If you can't see clearly, so change to shaded view. This is your sliding panel. Then you use the align tool, click on this align tool, select this as reference plane and select the top of the panel, then lock it, okay? So that's how you model your, okay, let's go to the 3D view here. That's how you model your sliding door. Okay, let's say I change the width of the door to 3000, the height of the door to 3000, okay? So the panel will change accordingly. And then if I change the parameters of width to 2000, click apply, okay? So my panel also will change accordingly, okay? Which is half sliding out and half concealed inside the wall, okay? The panel width also will change according to your setting of the parameters over here. So let's the default height to be 2001 and then the width to be 700. apply, then okay. Then before we end here, then we just select everything over here, then accept the wall, okay, and select this, the door jamb and the door panel. I'm going to assign it under one category of material, which is the door material. Then okay, then we load inside to our project. Just save it somewhere. Sliding door. Save, then you place it over here. So it will form one opening automatically. So just move it up to here as per the drawing. Then we go back to the 3D view. So this is your sliding door done. Very simple and easy, okay? Simple, easy. Okay, so click this thing here. Remember to assign your material. Category, material, wood. Wood cherry, wood thick. Just try this, wood thick. Apply, okay. So this is your sliding door. Of course, if you are searching something perfect, this is not perfect because remember just now I mentioned the door jamb. You will need to model it extra to cover it over here. Okay, so from this view, it's not covered enough. If you want to improve it, you can always go back to the family. From here, then you need to model another extrusion here. Just thin extrusion. Then remember to lock it to here. And then we lock it to here. Lock this side to here. Then give a dimension between these two lines. 25 is fine. Just lock it. So finish. Then we go to the interior view. Make sure the extrusion is up to the top of the panel. Just lock it. Then assign it to the same material, door material. So just load it inside to the project to override the existing parameters. Then you will see your sliding door much more nicer, okay? Of course, you can repeat the same steps, do it for this side of the wall and the inner side of the wall if you want. But I'm not going to proceed further. I'm going to just leave it like this. Okay, that's all for this session. To end the session over here. Thank you.